here, and welcome to Unboxing Canada. Today we have a new box. Let's open it together and see what's in. Come closer. See what we have here. I know what it is. It is here. The light. This would be the lights that we would need for 1 year extended warranty. Activate here within 14 days. I always take these warranties and I never activate them at all. I will say I'll do it later on and never do it. Upgrade to 1 year warranty. Upgrade to 1 year warranty and 20% off another unit. Okay, so this will be lights to make the videos clear. Oh, now I know what was that. Okay. All right, so this is MOUNTDOG. That's the name of the company. And here we have the settings. We have one box, we have two box, and this is a bigger box, one. Another white, bigger box, long box, two. And then we have these two things here. And this is the empty box. Okay, let's get rid of this. All right. So this is what comes in the package. What comes in the package. Okay. And this is the guide. So I think we would need lights. I don't think there would be lights in, but let's see. So we'll just open it and see what is in there. I think I purchased from this company before, but what was it? I don't remember. Okay, let's see what is in the first box. So, okay, this is the first box, tenant. I think I purchased another light from them, I remember. And let's open this one here. Okay, let's see what's that. Wow, the light. Okay, I never knew that there would be lights. So this will be a stand that we would need to attach the light to. Right, so this is the stand. Okay, I think it is the same company as the background, because they have the same stand for the background. So I think it is, yeah, it belongs to them. That's good. Okay, so this is it. And let's see what's in here. It's like an umbrella. Frankly, it doesn't come with a guide that would help me to do that, to attach it. So here would be where I put the light. Oops. Did it break? No. So I really don't know how to attach it. But you see, does it show anywhere in this small guide? Doesn't show anywhere. It's just like, it doesn't show anywhere how to set it up. So I think this will be this side. Okay, let's see. So I think this will be attached to this stand here. So it will go this way. Is it that way? Oh, this way. Okay. So I really don't know. Okay, let's just attach it and see what happens. Just am I doing it wrong? Is it right or is it wrong? I don't know, but let's see. I'm just trying. What is this for? This guy, they have no instructions anywhere. So I don't know how to attach these, but just trying. Let's see if there's another, if there's a guide somewhere here. I'll just make a check. No, it's the same thing here. So this is done. So how to do that? I don't know. How to attach it? I don't know. So let me just open it. See if there is a way to hold it. I don't know. Where's it back here? Whatever is this? Okay, so this is done. So only one thing that I'm not sure about is that there is a sign here back. So I don't know if that sign needs to be on the top or that's okay. MOUNTDOG, so we're gonna attach it. So whenever we tape a video, we'll just put these two lights aside, and this goes up. This goes up from here. So if we want to take it up more, we just do that here, and then it is up, goes up, and so on with the other one here. Then it goes up. Wow, that's really good. So now what we just need is to attach the light. To attach the light and this white cloth, which okay, I'll just see on their website to see if there is a way that it can help us. So we'll just go ahead and put the lights on with the help of the person who's taking tape of this video. Is brilliant. I don't have to go and see their instructions. So I'll just attach this here. Oops. I think I would need to do it with my two hands. Attach it. So it's not even going in. Do I have to do it the other way? Let's try the lights. Come from that side. Hey, the lights are working now. That's cool. So you have this on and off button here. So we'll just switch it off, and then as per the instruction of my beautiful daughter, she said to do this, to attach it. So just put it down first. One thing that I need to do is to get this, I think it has to go that, okay, let me just attach it. So it is too far. I think I need to put it on the ground and then attach it. Okay, there's one here and one there. From outside? Yeah, that's right. Okay, so you know what? I'll take it down so I can do it easily. We can stay there, okay? And go back. That's how I can attach it. And then from this side, attach it here. Then from here to this side, and then from down there. Okay, so this is. We need a plug. Attach it to. It's on. Should be on. That's great. So this is the second one. So it's ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching unboxing this product. What is it called? It's called the lights. Softbox with bulb holder. I think that's what it's called. I hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoying assembling it with Learn With Us How To. Hope you guys to subscribe and watch our other boxes coming soon. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like. Bye.